Recently, you have started growing your beard for the very first time and or started caring for, aka specifically grooming your facial hair for the first time, and I would like to hit you guys with 5 reasons you should keep the beard. Now, if at any point during this video you're like, this resonates or this is helpful or you like the vibes, 2 things to consider. They're both free and they really help me out here, and I can continue to give you guys this free content. Number 1 is the thumbs up, the like button to show YouTube something's going on with this video. And then number 2, if you're not already, consider subscribing to the channel. You don't need to do either of those right now. Let me prove to you guys the value, and let's hit it off right away. Reason number 1 you should keep the beard is because if you shave, you will look like a thumb. A thumb. Probably gonna put up a little picture here from like the kids movie where it's got like the thumb guy. Yes, so many of you, especially if you don't have any lettuce dripping up top, aka head hair, you look like a thumb. For real though, if you're shaving, any age that you're at watching this video right now, you're gonna look like every other guy your age that we have seen our entire lives. As we grew up as kids, let's say you're 40 and you picture a 40-year-old guy, that's you shaving. If you're in your 30s like me, I'm 37 currently, human years. If you are shaving, you're gonna look like that guy that you envision. Give yourself a little bit of character. Give yourself a little bit of texture, a little bit of color. It's something that really is a new age thing. It's something that really does make a positive difference. Hashtag no thumbs. Hashtag don't look like a thumb, dad. That is a big one for number 1. Reason number 2, you have not seen your beard's full potential yet. Whether you're a month in of growing because you started on No Shave November and you're at this like pivotal point of, do I keep it? Do I go back to shaving? I kind of like it, but people make comments. You don't know where your beard is going to be at. Also, those of you that are like, I've had a beard for years and I just started taking care of it because I experienced beard dandruff and I looked up and found your channel. I experienced itch or somebody said something, I wanted a better beard. You still have no idea your beard's full potential. Full potential for areas filling in, such as patches, or the hair simply growing longer and covering those patches, which is an amazing miracle with time and growth. Or it's the potential of your beard on how it looks, on how it feels. That's a huge one. As you start growing and caring and watching this channel, you're gonna be like, man, I didn't realize my beard could move like that. I didn't realize it could feel so soft. Huge potential gains that you guys can make, but also how is it styling? How is it smelling? There's so many ways that you can reach that beard potential by just staying with healthy habits, with patience and not shaving, and then following this channel for all the free advice to be able to help your beard look, feel, and smell its best. Please trust me on this one. Your best beard days are yet ahead. The 3rd reason you should keep your beard, women and men notice, and in a pretty much super majority way, in a very positive way. No matter what you're attracted to or into, people find it attractive. Also, there's some inherent respect that's just simply given at a biological, at a psychological level as well. Now, there are all the studies in the world of, do women find beards attractive? And the answer is yes. Depending on the study you found, it's usually like a stubble beard or a short beard, but the age range of those studies really matter. Generally speaking, if you're a younger gentleman, younger women like shorter beards. If you are getting a little bit elevated in age, you're getting a little bit more experience with those numbers, usually it can be a little bit longer, and there's reasons behind that. The shorter beard is more lustful, more instant attraction. The longer beard tells things like trust and commitment and knowledge and more of like a long-term commitment type relationship. So adjust accordingly with what you are looking for. And then on the flip side, let's say you're like, dude, I got a wife. I don't need any attraction. Listen also, it is something that just instantly gives you respect. And there's actual study behind this. We have some real studies, such as there was a really cool study that studied Facebook meta ads. And they did ads that were the same ads, and they ran it with a bearded man and a non-bearded man. They did different beard shapes, sizes, colors, ages, everything. And the ads that had the bearded men did better almost unanimously. It was the overwhelming numbers. I did a video on it. You just look up like, do beards help sales, Dancy Bearded, something like that, and you'll find it. And it was that the beard just intrinsically gave trust, gave respect to other men. I did another video about how people approach you differently when you have a beard. They're just a little bit more respectful, just a little bit more kind of, rather than aggressive towards you, there's a little buffer zone there, and that makes a difference. In a vastly positive way, men and women notice that beard. Reason number 4 is the hard part is already behind you. You're good. You did the hard part. Dan, what is the hard part? Well, it's number 1, committing to growing a beard. Also, you have to get through that first initial awkward phase when it's first growing out. Am I going to trim up the neckline? Am I doing the cheeks? Am I letting it go? What are my goals? And then with that, you get comments from coworkers. You get comments from family members, from friends that are just kind of ribbing you, giving you a hard time. But it's all just an icebreaker, just something that comes to mind. They don't even really mean it. That likely is already behind. If you're just caring for your beard the first time, you might get some comments from your wife or from some of your buddies if you talk about like, dude, you're using oil on your face, you got a blow dryer. Again, they don't really mean it. They're just talking to talk, but you likely have passed that already. And once you start to really care about your beard and have some pride, now people are going to ask you about it. Hey, dude, your beard's looking good. What are you doing? Man, you smell great. What do you have in beard? What is that cologne? And then you get to talk about these things. It's already past you. You're good. You figured out beard itch. You figured out beard dandruff, or at least the foundation of getting in the right direction. That's like being out of the gym for years and getting out of shape and then going to the gym for 2 weeks, crushing it, being like, I'm too sore. I can't go back. No. We got to get through that sore phase. That's done. It's easy coasting after that, baby. You set your routine and we keep going. The hard part is already established. Now we get the fruits of your labor and we get to enjoy it. Reason number 5, why you should keep that facial hair on your face where it belongs. And I will throw in a bonus one after this one, so don't go anywhere yet. And that would be, and hear me out, this might sound ridiculous if you've not gone through this, but I'm just asking for a little bit of trust. I rarely use that word trust, but this is one where it really does matter. You do not realize what caring for a beard can do for your life and how greatly it can change your life in a positive way. It can be the pivot point to show yourself that you can be healthier, and maybe the beard is the place that starts it, right? The easiest way to have gains for your beard feeling better and growing better is properly hydrating yourself. It's not about selling products. It's not about using the right tools. It's not about any of that. If you don't have the right health and foundation, you're not going to have the best potential beard. But Dad, my overweight drunk Uncle Fred, we know. People can grow beards. We're past that. We're talking about the best growth, the healthiest growth, great style, great feel, great smell. Drinking enough water is the key thing that you can do. Balance your electrolytes and all that comes with it. How many guys have positively helped their health by drinking more water because of their beard? How many guys have wives that have told them for years and years and years, honey, drink more water, honey, get hydrated, and they didn't listen until a bearded dude on YouTube said, drink more water, and they started to drink more water. Now their wife is happy, they have better energy, their skin is clearing up, so many benefits. That's huge. Also, a beard will teach you patience if you let it. There are some things with a beard that you just simply have to wait for in a world full of instant gratification. Massively improved my patience, which made me a better father, made me a better husband in so many other ways in my life. And I could go on and on and on forever about the ways a beard has positively impacted my life from the bottom of my heart. But it also just simply shows you that self-care as a man is okay, and can I say needed. We're taught our whole life to be the rock. We're taught our whole life rub some dirt on it. We're taught our whole life men can look this way and be tough. And self-care is an amazing thing. It's 2026, whenever you're watching this video, it's the end of 2025, going into 2026. Men, we can care for ourselves and still be a man. We can care for ourselves and look after our health. Look at things like blood results and yearly physicals, but also blow dryers and oils and combs. Oh my. It can improve your life in ways you had no idea when you first started. Please just have an open mind to that because I've seen it thousands of times. Bonus and conclusion wrapped into one. Just read the comments for the sixth answer. There's so many amazing guys that follow this channel that kept their beard, and they have way more reasons why it's a positive than I could ever share in one video. So gentlemen out there that have a beard and it has been a positive force in your life, if you have a reason why someone should keep their beard if they're considering it, put it down below, especially if I didn't cover it. If I did cover it and it really resonated with you, if you could do me a favor, please dig in deeper. Please have a comment that's like, yes, number 3, knocked it out of the park. Anything you guys can add to this community discussion is so valuable and appreciated. Number 6, read the comments. Now to flip to the conclusion officially, you guys, what questions do you have, especially new beardsmen or new to caring for your beardsmen? I think that's the proper way to say it. I would love to be able to help out and answer. Beyond that, any thoughts, any experiences, that comment section is open entirely for you guys. Thank you for watching today. My name is Dancy Bearded. I love this stuff. I love helping people. I love discussing facial hair. You are in the right spot. I hope I earned that thumbs up and that subscription. Dancy Bearded, please stay bearded and stay positive.